Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cell size in your Excel document. So right now, as you can see, I have the blank Excel and I'm going to do it for a specific cell, and I'm going to also show you how to do it for columns and rows as well. So let me just select one particular cell here and show you how to basically change that. So I'm going to change the height and the width of this specific cell. So you want to select the cell and then ensure that you're on the home from the top here. Then click on format towards the right hand side or upper right hand side. Then from here you have the row and you also have the column as well. So you can simply click on, for example, row, and then from here you can change this from 15. As you can see, the basic is 15 and I'm going to put this to like 40, right? So once I click on OK, you see that it expands to 40, all of these within the specific row and column, right? So all of this within this specific row right here. So how do you go about change the entire column as well? You want to go back here and you can see the column. You can simply click on column width and you can easily go ahead and change this. So I'm going to put this to, for example, 30 here, and click on OK, and you will see that it expands it as well. So have a look at that. But this affects the only the column here. Now let me go ahead and press Ctrl Z, put everything back to normal, and show you how do you do for entire one. So I'm going to click on A column here, and if I go ahead and click on format and go to the column, I can change this now. So I'm going to change this to, for example, 50. Click on OK. Have a look at that. It expands. And if I click as well back into the format and go to the row, I'm going to change this to, let's say, 50 as well. And have a look at that. So each of these are changed, right? So if you want to do that now for all of these across, you can simply click on the specific one here and it's going to highlight, or you can do for multiple. It's up to you. Just simply go ahead and select the ones that you want. I'm going to stick to the first one here. Let me go back so that you can see how it looks from the first column. But I'm going to select one from this side so that it highlights the entire row, and I'm going to go there and I'm going to simply go to the format, change it, and it's going to affect the entire one. So as you can see, I do that and it changes. And if I click into the format and go to the columns, I will put 50 as well as an example, and you will see what happened. Now have a look at that. Everything looks amazing. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.